Pros and cons of living in Los Angeles is a topic that hides a reality far more complex than the movies show. This city offers an undeniable magic that draws dreamers, artists, and innovators from across the world. Whether you walk along the beach or hike the hills, the energy here is unlike anywhere else on Earth. But beneath the glitz, there is a gritty reality that most newcomers ignore until it is far too late. There is one specific statistic about our local traffic that actually shifted how I view this city. I remember sitting in gridlock for 2 hours yesterday, and it really made me question my priorities. The cost of living index here sits at roughly 50% higher than the national average figure. Housing is the main driver, with a median home price exceeding $900,000 today. The weather is the massive benefit, as having sunshine 300 days a year is hard to beat. You can hike in the morning and be at the ocean by the afternoon, which improves daily happiness. It is strange to love the climate so much while knowing the environment costs are rising annually. Consider a commute from Santa Monica to downtown, which covers 15 miles but takes 70 minutes. You have to weigh that time cost against the culture, the museums, and the global culinary scene. Remember that traffic stat I teased? It turns out we lose over 100 hours yearly in jams. Career growth here is strong in entertainment and technology, with many high-paying roles available. Yet, the healthcare accessibility varies wildly depending on your employer and your insurance plan. Finding community requires effort, but the diverse cultures provide an unmatched sense of belonging. I still find it surprising how pockets of this city feel like small villages despite the scale. I have personally found that if you find the right neighborhood, the isolation begins to fade away. Education quality is inconsistent, so parents must research specific districts very carefully now. Crime rates are a concern, as property crime figures are significantly above the national median. First, budget for a housing cost that represents no more than 1/3 of your monthly take-home pay. Second, visit neighborhoods during rush hour to see if the commute is something you can tolerate. Third, look for local groups or hobbies to build your circle before you sign any permanent lease. Los Angeles asks a lot from you, but if you understand the exchange, it might just give back more.